Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae and I'm back today with another Motivational Monday video. In today's video, we are going to discuss how I made over $1,000 in 1 month using the Amazon affiliate program. So if you are an aspiring entrepreneur or you're just starting your own business, or even if you're just looking for a side hustle, you already know what to do, my darling. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Money making Monday. It's money making Monday. It's money making Monday. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel we talk about shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Go ahead and click that big old red subscribe button down below, and you are in just like that. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like, because you like the content that I'm bringing to you each and every Monday, showing you how to add additional streams of income from the comfort of your own home, right? Right. Let's go ahead and get started. The Amazon affiliate program, also known as Amazon Associates, is an easy way for you to monetize your website, Instagram following, Facebook group, blog, or in my case, your YouTube channel. The way it works is when someone makes a purchase on Amazon via one of your links, you get commission. It's that easy. Seriously, you have 24-year-olds that are yielding over $40,000 per month using the Amazon affiliate program. So that lets you know that the earning potential is unlimited. So let me go ahead and show you the receipts of what I did in 1 month. Stay tuned. I joined the Amazon affiliate program on June 30th, 2020, and this is my 30-day summary. I earned $1,250 with $1,048 coming from the Bounty program. The Bounty program includes Amazon Prime memberships as well as Kindle memberships. Each person that signs up for Amazon Prime or Kindle, you receive a $3 commission. So when I post videos regarding EBT, because EBT and Medicare recipients get Amazon Prime membership for half the cost at $5.99, I earn $3 for each time someone signs up. And it's the same way if someone signs up for the Amazon Prime membership as a 30-day trial period, you still will earn a commission of $3. And it works just the same for Kindle memberships as well. So in 30 days, I had over 100 people that signed up. And so that's how I was able to gain $1,048. When it comes to the fees, I earned $202.55. At that time, this means that someone just did not use my link. For example, say that you went on Amazon and you ordered some hamburger meat, or you ordered onions or different books, but you click my link originally. If you click any link and decide to purchase something off the Amazon website within a 24-hour period, I can still earn commission from that. So as you can see, this is the report of people that have ordered Idaho potatoes, they've ordered books, they've ordered lipsticks, and I get like a little bonus commission. Now, it does not tell me the name of the person that ordered what product. However, I still get a little bit of earnings from the money there. So you can see at the top, it states that the link was not used. So my link was not used, but they may have clicked my link initially and then decided to purchase something from Amazon. And so I got like a little bonus fee. So, and you can see it's pages and pages. But the great thing about this, guys, is that you did not see me selling or doing anything. This was strictly passive income. I did not have to promote it at all. But Shalae, how do I get started? I'm glad you asked. I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to becoming an Amazon associate with screenshots. You gotta love technology. Let me break down the rules for you. First and foremost, you must always disclose on your website or in any communication that you are eligible to earn earnings from your recommendations. 2, you must always not make any false or deceptive claims in your recommendations. And you must avoid referring to prices, because we all know Amazon prices change daily frequently, right? And then you must not use any Amazon affiliate links in promotions such as ebooks or emails. You must include it in your description box if you are on YouTube. So it's kind of like, it's helpful if you already have an audience, where such as your website, your blog, or your Facebook group, or even your YouTube channel, because this helps you with the audience that you want to target, as well as how you'll bring in traffic. But if you don't have those, it's great too. You can still start earning money. So let's go ahead and get to doing the work. First, you visit the Amazon Associates homepage and you click Sign Up. You will be prompted to log into your existing Amazon account or create one. Begin building your Amazon Associates profile by clicking New Customer. Once you sign into your Amazon account, New Customer, and follow the prompts to build your account. Enter your account information, including the name, address, phone number of the payee. Also, enter your website address. You can enter website addresses or apps, YouTube channels, etc. Explain how you drive traffic to your websites, how you use your website or apps to generate income, how you usually build links, how many visitors your sites bring in each month. Enter your phone number. Now, if you're unaware about how much traffic you will bring in or how to build links, I will show you at the end of the tutorial on how to build the links, so no worries there. Just make sure you fill out all the information that has an asterisk so we can proceed forward, as well as enter the CAPTCHA and go ahead and accept the terms and conditions and click Finish. And you have just created your own Amazon Associates account. Congratulations. Once you've created your account, you'll be sent to your personal associate homepage. This is where you'll find your performance dashboard. And as you can see, there is the link for the bounty for Prime membership for EBT. As well as you move down along the page, you will see the prompt where you can create your own link. And I'm typing in lipstick and I'm clicking go. So any product that you want to create, you will type in there and it brings up a lot of different lipsticks, and you click on the side to get link. Once you get the link, you can keep it as this long form. You can highlight it and copy it and post it into your blog, your websites. I'm more of the short link girl, and I like that for the description box of my YouTube channel. So I'm going to highlight that and copy it, but each and every product that you want to make commission from, you have to go and search for it in there and generate the link. It's just that easy. And now you are on your way to earning more money with Amazon Associates. We did it, guys. I told you it was super easy to join the Amazon affiliate program. You are now on your way to earning an additional stream of income, passive income at that. I want you to know that with the Amazon affiliate program, your account will be open for 180 days or 6 months. During that time, you must generate at least one sale or your account will be closed. Now, that's why I stated it's really important for you to have a strategy when joining the Amazon affiliate program or even having an audience. But you can always build it or refer back to this video. And even if they do close your account, you can reapply and you're back into the program. So super easy. It does not cost anything. Let me know, what did you think about this video? Would you now be actually joining the Amazon affiliate program? Are you going to use this to generate passive income? What do you think about my Motivational Monday videos? Are they helpful? Let me know down in the comments below, as well as give me some ideas on some things that you would like to see moving forward. I love to bring these videos to you. So as always, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.